Hey, to count steps on the Redmi Watch 4, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can actually add this counter into your watch face. So how it looks, we have to actually find the watch face that we can actually customize. So let's try, for example, with this one. We have to click and hold on one of the following preset. For example, let's say that I'm not using the breathing score. So I have to click and hold it. When you feel vibration, just select this tile one more time. And from this, you can actually add this steps counter. So let's the yellow one, for example. Now click on the one more time. And as you can see from here, right now we can check your steps. When you click on it, you can also find the moving time, the steps, and the calories. And the second way is just to go with this button into the main menu and go into the workout. Next, you have to select walking. You can click to go walking, click start, and now from this you can find some date, like for example steps. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.